Yes, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to be telling you more about the GPS tracker installation, anti-theft GPS tracker installation. So here, these are the various type of GPS that you will see in the market. These are the best type of GPS that you will see in the market. So here, we supply GPS, we do installation and checkup. So here are the various type of GPS that we are having here. So we start here. We have this GPS. It comes with this relay. So this is a relay that connects with GPS. Then here there is a cable that has to be attached. So each of these GPS that we see here, it comes with there is with the cable, then with the relay. That is how the GPS comes with these three for this type of GPS. So this GPS has the function to monitor your vehicle wherever the vehicle is. It has the function to stop, that is to off the engine. It also have the function of engine start, engine off, alarm, overspeed alarm, rough driving, drunk driving, and many other functions that this GPS has. Then we move now. This one is 2G GPS. This one is 2G. Then this other one, this is a 4G GPS, is bigger than this other one in function and also in size. So both of them, they are having they are of different functions and has different prices. So after this this 4G, now move to this other GPS. So this one has an additional function to it. This one come with this one, come with the cable, you come with the relay, then with the mic. So this one come with this, then with this button. So this one comes with this GPS that we see here. So this one has an additional functioning of voice monitoring. That is, anything they're discussing inside your vehicle, you can get it directly on your mobile phone with this GPS. Then we move to this other one. This one, they are still 4G. This one is 4G. Then we move now to this other GPS. This is a GPS and it is also a dash cam. So this GPS comes with cameras, two cameras. We have one in front and we have the other camera behind. And this GPS is mostly used in buses. If you are a transporter, you have a bus agency, then this GPS is also good. And also in trucks, um this GPS is also good because it gives you all what you need to see in the bus, and even as the driver is driving, you can see his movements, see everything that is happening on the road with this GPS. So this one has cameras. Then this one, it has camera, has mic. This one has just mic without camera. So this our GPS. We supply them and we do installation. If you need it, then you have to contact us so that we can supply you, or we can come and do the installation. So this, all these GPS, are universal GPS. They goes on any type of vehicle, starting with bike, cars, truck, buses, caterpillar, boat, trailers, and tractors, all the rest. So these are universal GPS. Anyone that you can afford from this can meet your need. So I just want you, if you need it, you contact us. We can meet you at your doorstep and do the installation. So thank you.